He found something extraordinary in the rainwater, a perfect square. But what he did next will melt your heart. Cleaned away the mud and rainwater, then gently dried it in the warm sun. What was he doing? Nobody knew yet. He gave it food. He cared for it daily. He talked to it, held it, protected it, and something amazing happened. The square became more than an object. It became family. It became love. This is the story of a man who saw something others walked past. A man who loved something nobody else understood. A man who turned an ordinary square into an extraordinary pet. Because that's what love does. It transforms everything it touches.